Maddie, and I'm your robotics educator, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create Launch and Rescue. Before we get started, we're going to need a couple of supplies from home. We're going to need some tape, some Elmer's glue, and some scissors. We're also going to be having a creativity portion of this lab, so you might need to grab other supplies as needed. Included inside your Clovercrate are some written instructions with also some picture instructions, a colorful piece of paper, a couple straws, some yarn, a paper cup, tons of rubber bands, a bunch of popsicle sticks, some marshmallows, and a caramel candy. So for our first step, what we're going to do is take 2 popsicle sticks and cross them over right on the top, and we're going to fasten them with the rubber band. Now that we've created this piece, we're going to add more until we make a square shape, and we're going to add the fasteners around each of these corners. Now that we've made the square, we're going to set that aside. And we're going to take 2 more popsicles and we're going to cross them over and we're going to fasten them again. Now that you've made your little X, we're going to do it one more time. Now that we've made our 2 base pieces, what we're going to do is we're going to fasten them onto our square piece. We're going to put them on the outsides of the popsicle sticks, and we're going to fasten them on with rubber bands. They'll look like this when they're done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a toothpick and we're going to put it across the top, and we're going to fasten it. Now that we've added this part, we're going to add another piece right across, and we're going to fasten that on too. Now we're going to create our launcher basket. So we're going to take a popsicle stick and we're going to basically stick on a little cup onto the end. You can use tape or glue or whatever supplies you deem best. Now that we've done this, we're going to put our launcher on. What we want to make sure is that this toothpick goes behind this one, but in front of this one. And we're going to take a rubber band and we're going to fasten it into place. I wanted to show you guys how I packaged up my marshmallows so that I could transport them. Really, any idea is good as long as we can transport our items. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Bye!